Anyway, so do we want to look at some issues around the markets? We got a meme up there now from
Yeah, I thought it was
yeah.
funny. I
Do
was
you
the
want
one
to?
that sent
Does
this.
anybody want to read that one?
I'll read it. I sent this
Yes, Brennan.
to the
Thank you.
guys here. I was on Instagram and saw this get posted. So this is Jerome Powell. He's up on the screen, and he says, "I'm
It's
going to
a
keep."
direct quote, right?
This is not a direct quote, but he says, "I'm going to keep raising rates until you assholes stop trading monkey JPEGs." So for the people that don't understand this, there's been a lot of mania around these monkey NFTs called Bored Apes that have been trading. I mean, essentially, it's like collectible art on the internet that people have been like trading for $20,000.
And they're doing this
per
now,
NFT.
or is this something that was happening 6 months ago?
6 months ago, still
I
happening
actually
now.
have a picture for that one.
Yeah, well,
So here, we
yeah.
can
So
go
Brett,
right
you've been
into that, I
buying your.
guess.
Oh, okay, perfect. Yeah,
Oh,
Nice.
there we go.
No. So here we are,
Great.
3%.
I thought you had a picture of your own monkey JPEG.
Oh, of
as an
course.
NFT. Yeah,
Of course. Yeah, no, I just have a picture of Brendan on my wall.
yeah. There you go. How much are you
Wow.
going to get in the
Excellent.
NFT
Wow.
market for that, right?
Yeah. So
No,
the
yeah.
volume.
$100,000 at least, $100K at least.
My mom.
Okay,
would
so
be-
yeah, so that's what I expected, a huge drop from the first quarter of this year numbers, when really the market was, in that area, especially around January, hitting a peak.
Yes.
But just crazy. I mean, not to put you on the spot, do you have any specific examples of monkey JPEGs being bought for obscene prices, or do you know what
Oh yeah,
kind of prices they're?
I 20,000 is a low end. I can tell you for the Bored
Yeah.
Apes. Like
Yeah.
they were, I think a couple even encroached a million.
Mhm.
wanna
Yeah,
say.
I think you were
Yeah.
saying, didn't Bored Apes actually hold up better during this period
Yeah,
than many
irony
other
is,
categories? The
yeah.
irony, yeah.
Bored Apes is the blue chips of NFTs. As
So, okay,
ridiculous
Brett,
as that is.
So, can anybody just create one of these Bored Ape images and put it on?
Yeah.
Right. So this
Yeah.
is the
So-
ultimate of something having value only because people just randomly decide that it should have value, right? And that is what gives
Correct.
it this illusion of value, or, we can discuss philosophy, what is value, but that is what it is. So I could do a Bored Ape Bored Ape JPEG and put it on the NFT market, and maybe nobody looks at it. So it's worth what my JPEG should be worth, which is zero, right? Or maybe for some reason, a bunch of people love it and it goes viral and it's worth, a couple $100,000 or $1 million.
Yeah. So I will say, what I liken it to is any trading card, whether it's like a Pokemon card, a hockey
Which
card,
have gone
baseball
nuts
card,
during this period too.
which they've gone nuts as well, which is kind of expected. Those unique assets do go up in price, but it does. So you can make a Bored Ape. I can right click, the memes always right click, and I'll save as, and I own a Bored Ape. That's always the joke around it, which you can do, of course. So it's not really the art that's the value, it's the collector item, because you can trace back to the original issuance, which is the whole value proposition. I personally don't own any, just I'm putting that out there. I'm not some hoorah NFTs are the future type guy, but I would liken them to trading cards. So if you do believe the trading cards, whatever, have value, you could argue for the same for NFTs.
Yeah, but certainly the volume, the excitement around all of these have come down, and as asset prices deflate, they probably come down.
And I'm no expert on trading cards, but I would imagine that scarcity is something that drives value for a physical trading card, right? Like if you have an original physical trading card, nobody else can replicate that because anything else is just a copy.
Yeah.
Whereas with an NFT, because it's digital, I mean, I suppose you could say that a copy is just a copy, but it is literally identical.
Yeah. So normally I know some NFTs are trying to kind of replicate that, where you'll have condition to some sort. So normally how trading cards are rated, you have like an individual company, they'll value it or look at it to see the quality of it. And you'll have like a 10 score will be a perfect condition, nothing wrong. Because if you're not in the world, you won't understand that even a tiny little misprint changes the card's condition completely. So it could take it down from, let's say, a pristine A condition card that might go for $10,000. If it goes down like to 8, an average person won't notice the difference. I personally wouldn't, but that might take it down to a few $100s. because there could be thousands of that condition, but only 1 or 2 of that pristine, perfect condition. So it's hard to argue NFTs are all pristine, but then they are all unique. When most trading cards, there is some sort of duplicates. NFTs, they have the effectively what they do is they take an algorithm, they randomize a picture. That's pretty much the formula which you'll see for Bored Apes and pretty much any of the other ones. The original one, which I remember, I don't know if it was first, it probably wasn't, was CryptoKitties, which is about 5 years old now. Yes, CryptoKitties. I learned about this actually when one of my professors in university had one. So,
oh wow,
yeah, it's not just our generation. I think he was even a bit older than Ryan and Aaron. So,
wow,
whoa, he must be
even older than us.
He's on.
Yes, I know, ancient.
His deathbed, basically.
Yeah, let's be serious. He must have been. You know. In some
well, I will say he was an accounting professor.
Yes.
So
yes,
yeah.
There's already the derangement.